vision the best of what can be. आप बड़ा सोचिए. Why are you thinking of Anandam as 7 schools? Where do you want to reach? Where can you go? How big can you think? The team came together to say that Anandam will be a high quality educational resource center, not a school. Resource center means it will work with state government, central government, PhD students, B.Ed students, NGOs. They will be a resource organization. Anandam will be a high quality educational resource center in the country, the Taj of education. If your team says this, the founders are not even in the room. The founders have been sent out to swim at the Breach Candy Club. वो तैर रहे हैं दोनों लोग. ये टीम ने कहा है कि Anandam will be the Taj of education. Now you tell me, with such high level of motivation, will this organization not go forward when it comes from the employee's mouth? The Taj of education, we will not be schools, we will be resource center. Next step is design. Action planning करना पड़ता है. Structure क्या होगा, roles क्या होंगे, products and services, communication, engagement, policies, procedures. And then delivery and destiny. Actually executing the plan, making the plan, rolling it out. So this was the process of AI. And what was achieved? ये सब करने के बाद what did the organization really achieve? I mean, we can open this, but I can, if you're interested. A new organization structure was rolled out, and in that structure, there was no mention of the founders. ये structure बनाया team ने, दिया founders को. There are no founders there. There is a new CEO in place. There are no founders. आपने structure देखा, रेलवे पटरी, सबसे ऊपर दोनों वर्मास थे. नए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में there are no वर्मास. So organization structure, design and delivery हमने बात की थी कि what is the action planning. उन्होंने goals बनाए 2019 तक, और सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि founder handing over statement बनाया. एक थोड़ा I'll just give you a झलक of this. If you can. So you don't have to read this because you can't. This is the handing over statement. Diana, what are the responsibilities handed over? To whom? Which month? Which are the responsibilities in the process of being handed over? To whom? Which month? Complete set of all the founder responsibilities which are going to be handed over. So this was the exit plan for the founders. Which was the objective of the program? The objective of the program was the founders turning mentors and transitioning out and the core team taking over. तो ये टीम ने founders के साथ अचीव किया. इसमें मेरा कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. My only job is to tell the team what to do, how to do, and they do it. Because unless it comes from the people, unless it is participative, it cannot go forward. But there's a process called feedback and evaluation. So this is my last slide on OD. मैं आपको सिर्फ एक feedback दिखा देता हूँ कि what did the founders have to share with me over an email. I don't know if all of you can read it, but whoever can, you can quickly. Can you? ये बहुत बड़ा है सर. 2 पेज का मुझे ईमेल भेजा उन्होंने for the feedback and thank you. Yeah, I'll come to that. So largely saying, thanking me and saying that this has happened, we have transitioned out, team has taken over, thank you very much, we are able to go for holidays, take time off, leave it to the team. Okay? So I can share this with you later. So, what was the transformation? It was a founder-led business, business meaning not for profit. We transitioned to a professional organization with a new CEO and a couple of new HODs coming in place who had corporate backgrounds and professional backgrounds. And now we hope to convert it into an institution. वो सो रहे sir. So I think that's about it for the case study. There's a conceptual presentation which I can mail to you. What is OD? What are the principles of OD? You can read through it now, later. That I leave to all of you. Because I have a small session on coaching also, which is again a case study. But we'll take a break now. Yeah? Yeah. Yes, sir. I haven't worked on that project, so I am not the best person to comment. They are 5,000 crores, there will be 10,000 crores by the end of this financial year. No. This was a problem given to me by them. This is not a problem I observed. So if Patanjali comes to me today, tomorrow with a problem, I'll solve it for him. This was a problem not identified by me. It was identified by the team, by the management, given to the management, which the management agreed was a problem.
What was the outcome of this change?
Outcome of this change, I did not show you one statistics. नहीं, इसके एक है. So I'll first give you statistical change, and then I'll tell you what really happened in this organization. So this was an impact evaluation at Anandam. Impact is done on parameters of OCTAPACE. OCTAPACE means openness, collaboration, trust, autonomy, proactiveness, authenticity, challenge, and experimenting. So these are the values of OD. So what were the values of OD initially, and what did they become later on, before and after, like I said there. I'll just give it the last slide. So the red ones that you see were the before scores, and the green ones that you see are the post project evaluation. I will read the notes below. All scores have improved. Biggest gainers are proactivity, transparency, and openness, which were the bottom three to begin with. The biggest improvement of 46%, I think, came in proactivity. It came in proactivity because founders were allowing people to get proactive, do what they want without asking for permission, and taking all the decisions. So while transparency and confrontation continue to remain in the bottom three, proactivity has moved out. Now look at the number of value attributes with scores less than 3. Before, 7 attributes were below 3, and after, only 1 attribute is below 3, which is confrontation. So if you want to pure quantify it, this is the quantification. But if you want to qualify it, he has already written to me qualitatively what happened. So other changes were, there is a CEO in place. These people are not in the picture. They don't handle day-to-day issues. They have got professional managers in. That is the impact of the change. And there is a lot of impact which I don't know of, because work is still happening. So which are the B.Ed, D.Ed, state government, central government organizations they have tied up with, today I am not aware of. I need to check with them. But the fact is, MCERT, Maharashtra Education Research MCERT is the education board in Maharashtra. They now have a tie-up with MCERT as a resource center, which was their dream statement. Yes, sir. Ji.
There should be case study on purely on business. It should, because business में institution में education system काफी और बहुत हजारों problem है. वो भी मतलब then whatever the business के अंदर there are a lot of आपके CEO आपके organization लोग हैं, they want to establish their own business. आपका know-how लेके then they want to start their own. वो भी बहुत problem होता है. Education में they can't make such a big empire again. nobody can make.
Education is a great business opportunity.
नहीं नहीं
है सर, पर nobody can make own it. Business में तो क्या कुछ लेके join हो गया, he can do it.
नहीं, my simple response to that would be, sir, that there are people here, there are people there. I work on people. I don't understand finance. As long as you understand finance, I will solve your problem as an OD consultant. I work on people. I work on human behavior. There is a process which is applicable to everywhere. You know, Jonty Rhodes can coach in India, can coach in South Africa, can coach in Australia. Teams are different, bowlers are different, but the process is the same, technique is the same, human beings are the same. I work on people and minds and behaviors. That is my simple submission to your. Yes, yes.
One more thing, Praveenji has asked a very considered question and commented that, Patanjali doesn't employ management. Sir, it is professionally managed.
He didn't say that.
Absolutely
100%
professionally managed.
professional. I have been there.
And
Proper management is professional.
And what they have done is they have used Baba Ramdev only as a brand. And it's absolutely fully, and that's why you must have heard Baba himself talking 101 times on the TV. मेरे पास इतनी पसंद नहीं है, मैं प्रॉफिट का जो है वो सारे रोक नहीं जा रहा है, एक्सपेंशन नहीं जा रहा है.
Yeah.
Sir, I have been there. I have been in the plant. सारे सबसे retired लोग हैं. They employed all the retired people, and they are managing absolutely professionally.
We have a question. We have a question. Yeah.
No, not a question. I just have one question to be sure.
Yeah.
Whether educational institute or profit for organization, the basic remains same, like structure, system, strategy, vision, goal, capital, everything will be same. So it doesn't make much difference whatever the example is within my view.
Actually, मैं एक और ये चीज बोलूँगा कि using this in an NGO which runs municipal schools, I thought would be impossible. क्योंकि वो OD क्या समझेंगे मैंने सोचा.
Competition जो है आपका, आपके पास जब education में competition है, but one other student admit हुआ, he comes out only after 11 years. But customer is one today at this door, second day is next door. So this is a big difference.
Difference only in the customer, but after all, good school, there are some good schools are still there. अच्छे corporation school कितने हैं आपको?
And getting admission is again a problem. You can't take out a kid from here and put it to some other school. But in a business, यहाँ से you won't buy from here, you buy from here. You go to this good school.
Sir, one small submission. The problem statements that came here were all business related.
Yeah.
Abhi, but the response we generated using appreciative inquiry and OD met their expectation. So they were bringing business problems just now, but our response came from OD and AI. It was okay. It met their business requirement. Process is the same. It will meet business and non-business requirements equally well. I'm delighted. If you are happy, I'm delighted.
I would have a question on this part. So yes, dealing with an NGO would have been a more difficult thing because there's probably not really the money-centric, issue all the time. It's more of a emotional attachment to take the business or to take that empire forward. So in your case study, I could not really understand how difficult or easy was it for you to actually get your thoughts across to the management or to the Verma and get them to actually agree or understand that it was the founder syndrome and the
Yeah. So I understand.
So that is the biggest resistance that you got to break.
Absolutely. So I'll tell you where that happened for me. When I gave the feedback to them saying that the problem child is not the core team, but apparently you. So we finished the feedback session there and then. After that, I had a one-to-one coaching assignment with them. And I don't know if it carries in the feedback where the founder, the Naresh himself mentions that it is after we had these sessions together that I got a perspective on the way I was acting and behaving. So after the feedback, you sit down with the client one-on-one to understand what he thinks about the feedback, why does he think it's happening. He explores himself. Yeah.
So if somebody comes into my cabin and tells me that I am wrong,
Somebody walks in and says you are wrong.
Yeah, you walk into my cabin and you tell me that you are wrong, you are the problem. Then again, the first reaction is, when I fail to get to know that I am the problem, didn't you really get a response that, that's the door?
No, I didn't, because
How do you go about that part of it? I think that's the tricky part.
no, that is what I'm saying. I'm saying that this can either happen at the feedback stage when you are giving the feedback and they say no, thank you very much, that I have had enough, or it can happen post the feedback. As in, they can do this after a week or two, call you up and say after they have digested it, discussed it. So in my case, they didn't show me the door during the feedback, but anticipating that this could have to happen to me subsequently is when I set up the one-on-one coaching 2 hours, 3 hour sessions with them. And that is where they realized where they were coming from. When I pointed this out to you, that Naresh, maybe you are acting in this fashion because this is your history over which you had no control. So what you are a symptom of what is your set of experiences, your past. So when you realize that it was the circumstances that are making him behave in that fashion, he has said that in the email to me, that after our chat, I got a perspective about how and why I am acting the way I am. You have a good question there. It can happen. You can be shown the door.
That's what I'm saying. So in your experience, I mean, there is a lot of companies that. So in your experience, there would probably have been some cases where you were shown the door. But did they really come back to you after a week, 2 weeks, couple of months and say, okay, now we want to visit it again?
No, I haven't had a situation where they have not shown me the door or said, at the most they have said, we'll think about it and we'll talk later. So I haven't really exited an assignment so far, either in coaching or in OD.
Very fact is that when you are invited for intervention, probably it shows the intention of management to accept the change.
You're right.
I agree, but what happens is at the helm of affairs, you always see that the change is going to happen down below.
No, one coincidence. Yeah. I just come to you, just half a minute. No, one coincidence is.
Yes, the important thing is at the helm of the affair, only person needs to show the mirror.
Absolutely, you're right. No, and one coincidence, I just come to you, half a minute. One coincidence is like he was saying that this could happen and they could be shown the door and etc. etc. You said a lot of things. When I presented this for my certification at ISABS, when I made a presentation to my faculty, there was the last slide where we are supposed to put down our learnings. What did I learn? And one of the learnings I have put there is that helping the client overcome the feedback blues. Exactly what he's saying. It is there in my presentation to my institute saying, हम feedback तो दे देते हैं, उसके बाद हमारी छुट्टी, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. How can I help the client overcome the feedback blues? Is my learning written down, documented to my institution. Perfect.
डॉक्टर जो है वो कड़वी दवाई देता है, दोनों आराम से ठीक होते हैं. तो जैसे कई बार कड़वी दवाई पीनी पड़ती है.
यहाँ तो अपने डॉक्टर को बुलाया, नीचे वालों को कड़ी दवाई पिलाने के लिए.
हाँ, वो खुद को. No, there will be resistance. They will be shocked. There is a sequence. Yeah, sorry, you had a question. Yeah. It's your prerogative entirely. You have invited me and it's completely your prerogative to say no. And the fact is, if you are not, see, the fact is what, again, we don't have the theory presentation here and I will not be able to show it. But when I go to the client, my first presentation is on OD. I show him this is the process. This is what I will be following. These are the values of OD which are octopace. Are you willing to imbibe these values of openness, transparency, autonomy, collaboration, challenge? I educate him. Again, second learning on that slide which I presented to my institute is to educate the client on OD and AI. Like I said, before I did AI, I had half a day presentation to the founders saying, this is AI. Are you game? Are you willing to do this? Only after they said yes, I did AI. So, will they buy into Octapace? Are they willing to buy into Octapace? If they are, we run. And if they are slipping, then I again bring them back. Sir, Octapace देखिए, मैं दिखा सकता हूँ बाद में. Octapace देखिए, I think you are not okay with openness. You are not okay with transparency. But we agreed we would be okay with this.
It is desirable that you briefly talk about
No, what I can do is I can just show that one slide. बताने की जरूरत नहीं, वो समझ में आ जाएगा. I'll just show that one slide. This is definition, this is the process. This will be interesting to you. What can OD do for you? This will be interesting. Strategic change interventions. OD can be used for strategy. Techno-structural interventions. Organization, structure, design work, divide labor. Product, services. So strategy के लिए भी OD होता है, structure के लिए OD होता है, human resources, OD होता है, how to attract competent people, goals and rewards, plan and develop people, and human process के लिए OD होता है, communication, problem solving, decision making, interaction, how to lead. This presentation will be sent to you, don't worry. So this is what Octapace is all about. These are the values of OD. Openness, collaboration, trust, authenticity, proactivity, autonomy, confrontation, and experimentation. So this is the presentation. This is the exact presentation I make to clients when we start an assignment. And this is where I seek their buy-in.
That's exactly what my question was. I'm trying to understand that is the tool powerful enough or the process powerful enough to rope in the person, even after knowing the facts at the end of it. I should not really want to walk out, if I feel everything is just coming onto me.
No, but it has happened to a lot of my batchmates that people have said no. After the, of course, they've said no, I don't agree with this feedback. But like I said, we really don't know कि ये fault किसका था, practitioner का था या client का था. I don't know. I was not privy to that. It could be that the practitioner didn't do a good job. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. ये Sorry, you want something? Which one, sir? Sir, ये presentation भेज रहा हूँ मैं आपको. ये presentation आ रहा है आपको. सब आएगा. So what is an OD and what is not OD? This was the most important learning for me. What is OD and what is not OD? It should be planned. It should be a process. It should be long term. It should be aimed at the whole organization. It starts from the top. Most failures happen because people speak to only the HR head. Unless it starts with the directors, founders, CEO, it cannot be OD. It will fail as OD. It has to start at the top. Therefore, my request to have an august audience like you, if OD has to be adopted, it starts at the top. Like quality, like customer service, at the top. That's it. This will come to you. So we can take a 10-minute break. Is that okay? And one small presentation on, which is again storytelling, which is again case study on coaching. Much shorter, much briefer. People need a break? Really? This is delight, pure delight. If someone says, please continue, we want to sit, we don't need a... No, those people are walking out. So 5 minutes for them, for respect for them. For people who need a break. So you took a break, sir. Now it's their turn.
I have one question.
Please.
Because this OD, what we are working on,
Yeah.
we'll get a success
Yeah.
somewhat. We are going to achieve it. But there are going to be some side effects. Side effects means
Like?
once in the organization, even at the bottom level, they will grow.
Yeah.
And sometimes they may feel that it has all happened because of me. So then he will be asking for something more.
ये मैं समझा नहीं सर.
आप देखिए कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने अपने सब चीज़ कर दिया, अलाइन कर दिया,
हाँ.
स्ट्रेटेजीज बना दी
As a part of OD you mean?
हाँ बिजनेस के अंदर
हाँ.
वी हैड इम्प्लीमेंटेड एंड वी हैड इम्प्रूव्ड अपॉन. वो इम्प्रूव जो भी इम्प्रूवमेंट जो दिखता है एक साल में से 1 year's टाइम इम्प्रूवमेंट यहाँ दिखने लगता है. इमीडिएटली किसी न किसी को, क्योंकि सब ह्यूमन बीइंग सेम नहीं है, उसके अंदर में किसी न किसी को somebody में फील किया ये जो हो गया ये चेंजेस होते हुए दिखा डाउन द लाइन वर्कर्स को ऐसा लगा कि इम्प्रूवमेंट हो गया तो अब मुझे मेरा इंक्रीमेंट बहुत हो गया. ये इसको कैसे कोप अप? If you are not able to cope up that, because financially, what he is right, that in an organization like Vizio, this problem may not occur. But when we are talking about financial interest and in the business, there these types of problems often occur. At this particular stage, how will you be able to cope up with it?
I can only give one thought here. that whatever improvements we do, wherever we go, I can't see this. Click यहाँ पे. So whatever improvements we do, whatever we do, it has to be done with the people. ये जो आपने 4 stages दिखाए हैं, I don't know if I emphasized enough. This was done with the team members, without the founder. So you do all your work in a participative manner, where the workers and everybody is involved.
In 2001, I got a plastic pattern. I tried to improvise upon. I wanted to upgrade the vehicles also. I tried it all with the consultant, with the help. I got the improvement. Within 1 year, I got the improvement. The moment that stage was that everybody felt that कि actually ये सब improvement हमारे कारण हो गया.
देखिए आपको दूंगा कि अगर आप वाइट बोर्ड का 6 बॉक्सेस देखेंगे, मे बी 1 बॉक्स जो है कुछ मिसिंग है. आप लिख लीजिए बॉक्स इफ यू आर सो इंटरेस्टेड. कहीं ना कहीं आप कुछ ना कुछ मिस हुआ है मेरे हिसाब से. पर्पस वाइट बोर्ड WEIS BORD बोर्ड 6 बॉक्स मॉडल. BORD A नहीं बोर्ड. Purpose, leadership, structure, relationship, rewards, other helpful mechanisms. So मेरा वेरी माइक्रो इनपुट आपको ये रहेगा, इसमें कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई खाने में कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ है. I'm just parking this video. I don't know what happened. I have not even investigated. But what happens typically is that कहीं ना कहीं आप सोचिए, this is for you to take home and think over it. Some box, there is some lacuna. Something has not been done right. Here's my very 50,000 foot input. I don't know the situation. But you know the situation. You can go back and think along those 6 lines. Where is what missing? Useful, sir. आप सोचिए, कहीं पर्पस शेयर नहीं हुआ है, या रिवॉर्ड के बारे में ही सोचा नहीं है हमने, या रिलेशनशिप कुछ इशू है. I leave that to you for you to say. Yeah. Hi.
I'm Dhruv and he is Maitri. We are from Lighthouse International. We are in the business of ERP, HR and PSS and performance analyst have happened to be a part of it.
Yeah.
So what we were actually discussing and wanted to talk about was when you talk about KRA, things like that. So कुछ तो directly or work related stuff. So what I'm trying to get to is how do you translate these things into tangible or quantifiable? When you say up to date, right? So of course कुछ मेरे work related चीजें होंगी. Something are organizational values or organizational things that I would try to rate people on or quantify that by assessing their performance. So how do I bring that into the KRA? This is when you talk about leadership or sincerity or occupations of
Octopus is the value. Right. That means when you're setting the KRAs and KPIs, for example, have the team members been bought in?
Right.
Is that open? No. Have you sat with them? Have the KRAs been decided with them? Is that openness there? Is there transparency there? When they challenge you, do you listen to the challenge? Do you change stuff? So I'm saying, these are the values. This is the body way of doing KRAs and KPIs and PMS.
Okay.
So have you applied the values of Octopus? Right, from openness. Have you heard him out? Have you sat jointly? Has he challenged you? Have you let him challenge you? Those are the values of Octopus. So when you do any activity, वो Octopus के दायरे में है कि नहीं? You apply those values to all your assignments, all your tasks. Typically, KRA and KPIs are set by the top given below. So वहाँ OD कहाँ है? वहाँ Octopus कहाँ है? वहाँ openness कहाँ है? वहाँ transparency कहाँ है? वहाँ collaboration कहाँ है? That is Octopus. So practice Octopus in everything you do. Yeah?